Kite is what?
What? What are you doing?
Nothing. I was just taking a picture. No.
I want that whole thing to look.
How do you spell kite?
K-I-T-E.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Okay, go back. Doing what you're doing.
No, N-O-S-E. Mommy, I'm done. Hey! You're taking a video.
Well, you were acting so crazy, but as soon as I turned it on, you stopped.
Would you like me to do one more? Crazy? Easy, easy. Fast. F-A-S-T. F-A-S-T. Ta-da!
Yeah, but it was more fun when you weren't looking and you didn't have a clue what I was doing.
I have no idea what you're doing. What are you doing?
I'm taking a video.
And this is my favorite pencil. And my favorite. This is my favorite eraser because it has an ice cream thing. And it says, "Sweet on Jesus." See? And this is my favorite ruler because you can do stuff in it, and it goes curvy and straight, and curved and straight.
So which words did you learn today? You wrote out all?
Yeah, not 8 and 7 because you said don't write out those.
Do you want to tell us which words you learned?
What do you mean by learned?
Well, let's hear it. You don't have to write it out, just tell us.
Dish, D-I-S-H. Okay, I'm just going to say it, okay, guys? A bunch. 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 Hold on.
Spell it. You can look at it.
Okay, this is hard. That's brush, guys, sorry. That's bunch. Each. Wash.
You have to spell it.
No,
You have to tell your fans how to spell the words.
no. If you want to know how it looks, hey. I go crazy, you see.
Well, tell me how to spell brush.
Mom said she's going to throw it away, so I'm going to get you.
How do you spell brush?
B-R-U-S-H.
How do you spell each?
I'm not going for the trick.
What's the trick?
Trick is you're trying to like say what's each and all those. So I have to say ha. Cut.
So you're not telling us?
No, you can read, can't you?
What kind of line is that?
I'm joking. I was like being crazy. Got it? See, I'm being crazy.
So you ready for your test?
I failed a test! Today is a test?
No. It's not.
Thank you. Easy. Now, where did I throw that paper? And then this is.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Cut.
Bye. Jessie's crazy. Bye. Okay.
Hold on.